and then we'll go to hand in combat with them little guys. Oh, darn it. Welcome to the channel, everybody. I'll end up in the mud here in a minute. And I have taken a week off of trapping, and you guys wouldn't know it just because the way these videos come out. And the laser's dead on the gun. Try to get caught up on some camera system orders, and I got absolutely bogged down. I mean, absolutely bogged down. Where'd your mama go? Last night I decided it is time to get back to it. It's costing me money to bait these traps every day, and boy, it's a stinky mud hole right here. And so we're out catching and we're out loading. Sandy today. And this guy is not happy at all. He has been trying to jump out ever since he saw me. And he is a rank nasty boar. And we're almost set up, but we'll go ahead and get finished backing up right here. He's been trying to jump out since I got here, so I thought, well, I better get out and get a little footage of him before we get loaded up. I think we'll be able to just get him to go right in the trailer. He's tired of trying to get out of this trap. Yeah, he is not a happy camper, but I think we're going to get him loaded right up. Wireless mic on. You are throwing snot all over me. I tell you what, you are one mean joker. Yes, you are. Let's see how fast you can get loaded into this trailer. Yep, I knew you'd go for that gate. I knew you would. Let's just see if you'll just come on in here. Yeah, let's grab a flag. I think that's all we'll need on him. You know, it is just one, but it sure is nice when they load up that easy. I mean, it just sure makes life easier, because from here we're going over to the big trap. I caught somewhere around 25, and we are going to get this rebaited, reset, and get out of here. I don't know how many hogs are over here, but I'm trapping east of this property about 1 mile. I'm pretty certain these are the same hogs, just running back and forth between the two properties. And there's more over there than that, but I went ahead and caught 25 last night. There's 17 or 18 little piglets and eight bigger hogs. So we're gonna get this reset. We're gonna get over there and take care of that situation, get that one rebaited, and call her a day. All right, well, we made it over here to this next trap, and I bet you, well, it was a 4-minute drive from that last boar we loaded up. I thought I'd jump out of the truck right quick and kind of show you guys, well, one, to this busy road. When we are inside the city limits, there's these folks' house, and these hogs have been coming out of these woods, and they've been rooting up around. I mean, they are in these people's backyard. So we're going to pull down and we're going to get set up and try to load them. I think there's 25. There's eight bigger hogs, and then a whole lot of little piglets. So y'all hang on. We'll drive down in there, and we'll get backed up and get set up and see if we can load them up. This is that new trap. And I got it. By the time you guys see this, it'll be about a month by the time how long I've had it. But this is the second catch with it. The first catch I caught 37, and I reckon this is about 25, and I'll catch again here in the next night or two. Same location, and we'll load it up, and it's going a long ways away. Y'all stay tuned. We'll get set up. We're backed up, we're set up, and we're going to give it a try. Little ones are going to give us a problem, but we are inside the city limits. And y'all know, normally this time of the year with the market the way it is, we would just sit here and dispatch each one of them, but we're going to load them up since we're inside the city limits. no shooting allowed. I'm here with Ryan and Michael with Surrender Outdoors. Michael, you're with Surrender too, right? Oh yeah, yeah. So these guys do Surrender Outdoors, and if you guys are into hunting and things like that, turkey hunting, deer hunting, y'all check them out. You can find them on Facebook and the YouTube and all that. All right, well, let's get set up and get these things loaded. Yeah, we'll see how much problems this spot's going to give us, because we know how they work. All right, well, we're having some latch difficulties on this gate. So is it locked, Michael?
Yeah, I can get it to turn, but I can't get it.
No. Okay. Let me pull up. Let me just pull up a little bit, because that gate swings in, and so all they're going to do is push it out. So let me pull up a couple of inches.
Okay, come back.
Okay. Now we have to be able to slide that gate shut on the trailer. So once I hit, if I've got to pull up an inch. All right, we can make that work. All right, let's see if we can get that thing pried open now. Oh, it's open? Okay. Hey, Michael, that board down there, kind of pull it, see if you can kick it over your way and close up that gap. Kick it, see if you can move. There you go. Yeah, perfect. Yep. Well, I don't want these little piglets running out. All right, Ryan, what we're going to do, we're going to use this gate as a blocker, and so I'll run them around that way, and we'll just try to run them in the trailer. And once I get about 3 in there, then we'll close that gate, and then I'll move them in with that big bore.
Where do you want me to stand, or where do you want me to get at?
You might get on this side of the trailer, so you can hold that gate in case they hit it and shut it. Come on, yep, yep, yep. Come on, yep, yep. Come on. That's a big boar there. Come on, hip, 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 hip. Michael, go ahead and shut that gate. Oh, you might have to kick it with your foot if you need to. Okay. Go ahead and push it all the way. There you go. All right, and let me grab this hot shot to move them around. All right, and what you can do is, this will be your rope to pull it shut. And when you pull it shut, this spring loaded.
Yeah.
But here's the tricky thing. You got to lift up.
Okay.
But your fingers are here. But I leave it closed like that so it can't go all the way through. It shouldn't be a problem with just 2 moving them up front. But it's going to be a circus with that big boar up there. All right, you go first. Now you. All right, pull it shut. All right, there you go. All right, now we open it up and go again.
Who's next? Price is right.
That's it. Come on, let's go. Hip, 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 hip. Hip, hip, hip. Come on, shoot, shoot. Come on, hip. Come on, get around. Come on, let's go. Come on. Yeah, they have. So did you get a big turkey this morning?
Yeah, he shot a double beard.
Oh, a double beard? Nice. Come on. Yeah, I'll zap them a couple times and get them moving. When you load in the dark, you put lights inside the trailer. Yep, yep. No headlamps, no flashlights, no anything. You just lights in the trailer. That's all you use. Yeah, come on. Come on, move around. There goes one. See how many we can get to go in. One more and shut it. Even if you got to kick it with your feet. There you go.
You go ahead and unlatch it?
Yep, yep, go ahead. I think. There you go. Let me get over here. There we go. All right, pull it tight. Pull it your way. No, too late, too late, too late, too late.
Hi, man.
That's all right. It's your first rodeo.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
There we go. Here we go. Pull it your way, Michael. Pull it your way.
Ryan was pulling against me. That's what happened. Yeah.
All right, hold on, Ryan. All right. All right. And we go again.
I used to go catch some things with D. John Horace. I don't know if you know any of them.
No.
He's buddies with John too.
Oh, yeah.
They'd always get a kick out of me. They'd send me in not knowing what I was doing.
Yeah.
I was more scared of the bulldog though than I was the hog.
You need to go too. Come on, hip, 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 hip.
Whoopee.
Come on, turn the corner there.
I think if one of these go, the rest of them will.
Yeah. Hip, hip. There you go. Come on. Come on, boy. Michael, just hold on a second. Hold on. All right, go ahead, shut it.
I'll grab it.
All right. All right.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Okay, now what we do, shut this one about like that. I'll pull up, and then we'll go to hand in combat with them little guys. All right, so here, watch this. What I'll do is I'll go in and hand them over, and you open it and throw them in there one at a time. If we leave this open, those little ones can get underneath that gate and they'll squirm out, and then we'll be catching them again. What we might can do, Ryan, you want to back the truck up, and what we'll do is we'll get set back up, open up the doors, and as I'm chasing them, maybe some will just run in on their own too. Emergency brake may be set right by the steering wheel.
Come on. Whoa. We're kind of rolled back forward a little bit. I need back up, huh? Yeah. Oh, well, set your brake. All right, set your brake.
Yeah, that'll work. Can you shut this?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, that they won't be able to get it.
No. We got them blocked in pretty dang good. My strap.
So they won't buy the little ones?
No. And normally, so I've got a semi-automatic 22, and I shoot segmented suppressed hollow points, and it's quieter than and it's got a laser on it. And you just wait till one stops, and you put that laser right here, just touch the trigger, and they just fall over. I'll grab a couple more, and then we'll try to move them up front. Oh, let me do this.
Someone may run in there.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put that right there like that. I'll run them around. Go ahead and open your gate. Oh, darn it. Dang. Yeah, it's all right. It's all right.
Go back where you came from.
All right, let's try that again. I may not work. All right, come on, little guys. Let's go. Let's go, little guys. All right, here we go. They may not. We're going to keep trying, though. All right.
You don't realize how strong they are. 100-pound hog will whoop your butt.
And these little guys are fast.
Yeah.
I'll end up in the mud here in a minute.
I tried to hold the gate and I couldn't even hold it back.
Oh, dang it.
I was trying to get barely tracked for you.
Normally, you don't have to worry about.
No, you just pop them.
Well, with that pellet gun, you probably could have went ahead and done it.
I thought about it.
Yeah, the pellet gun would be okay.
You can't even hear it go off, but it is a 22. Yeah, close it up, Brian. No, I mean, open it.
Now open it back up and make sure
A little more. A little more. There you go. Hey, and I bet y'all didn't know this. Piglets are like cats. You can drop them upside down, they'll land on their feet. Yeah, it's wild.
You can't kill them hardly unless you
Yeah.
know the devil.
And we'll use that gate to block them so I can get them.
that one little one.
Get back, get back, get back. Shoot.
It almost be like a hole up here in the top to drop them in.
Yeah, yeah.
A gate up here on top, you just lift them over and drop them.
Here, come here. Come here. Come here. All right, here they come. All right, open it up.
Those bottom ones will be the hardest one.
We know who his daddy is. He's still walking around.
Yeah, get in
I
there.
think that more in there is his daddy.
Open it. All right.
No, there's a spot on it that looks just like it. That's right. Hang in a second.
I got greedy and tried to grab two at one time.
What I tell you, did I call it or what? Look, a little spot.
Come here, you little spotted sucker.
Mine looks too bad. I ain't picking in my seat.
All right.
Let him ride home with you.
Oh. All right, can you pull her up? Holy cow. Huh? Yeah, yeah. That's it. I'm gonna put 2 bags. Ryan, I'm gonna put 2 bags in it for tonight.
Get out of the back of your truck.
Yeah.
So do you scatter it all around?
Well, tonight, because they already found it, I'm gonna put it closer to the middle.
So you drop easier.
Yeah. So what we had was, we had it everywhere. We even had a trail going out. Well, they got hung up. Then they all got hung up out here where we had scattered it. And I need them to be about here in. Yeah, yeah. And we kind of ran into that. It took a while.
When I watched the video, like 2 of them heard like a click or something.
So
And they started moving right before it dropped.
that click, they can't hear. That's an audible signal coming through the camera.
Oh, okay.
To this. We hear it through our phone. They don't. What they do hear is this. So when you hear that click, this got electric motor in it.
You hear
And
that motor engage?
Yep, they hear that motor start to wind up, and then they hear it. Yeah.
You know what we should do?
What's that?
Zip tie that bottom one.
Oh, so it can't open.
So it can't open at all.
Yeah, in the back of my truck are some heavy duty big ones. Well, down here on the bottom is a weld on this main frame right here.
Yeah.
And the gate doesn't, it's a kind of out of whack. So it hits there first of all. And then that doesn't help because it's a little whopper jawed. Right. And it's hard to get it to close and latch. Oh, shoot. This is going to take a couple of us to make sure these cables stay in these rollers. Yeah, I'll move it away.
Is it supposed to be in the center?
Yeah, the center up, no. I mean, you would like it to, but it doesn't. I can hold it back if you can.
But just
fish
as long
it.
as the cable's in the roller.
Right. There. Is that it? Or did I go all the way over?
I got that one.
All right.
You got it?
Yep.
Okay. Let's, yeah, yeah, let's leave it right there, right on the inside there. We raise it up, everything will line back up. No, they just got a wide, yep. They got a wide footprint, but they get smashed down in the mud.
You want me to latch this one? Are you going to go under or are you going to come through?
No, I need you to go get my phone. All right, well, we are all reset and ready to go. We got 100 pounds of corn in the trap, and we know we have a minimum of 11. We've got a trail camera up the hill a little ways, and they're going to come in from behind that big old huge pecan tree over there, and we'll see, and we should catch them tonight. Well, interesting story. While I was out loading those 25 this morning over there in the city limits, the next town over, my phone went off. This is, I don't know, 10:30 in the morning. All of a sudden, I've got hogs in this trap over at Boland's property. "10:30 in the morning catch, and I've got these guys." So I knew I had to come over this direction. I had to bring my dog to the vet and have his eye looked at. So I offloaded all those hogs and came over and picked these up. And then I got my dog. We got to go find him. He's out here somewhere. Teddy, get over here. Come here. Come on. You can't be just wandering off. You don't know where you're at. If you guys aren't familiar with this dog, this is a Shitbaka. And Shitbakas they're a cross between Chewbacca and a Shih Tzu. Ain't that right, Teddy? Ain't that right, buddy? We went and had an eye doctor visit this morning. Yeah, ain't that right? Come on, let's go. Come on. He's hot. So we'll go put him in the shade over by us. And we're going to have to dispatch a couple of these hogs. I was in the city limits with that property this morning, and you can't shoot in the city limits, so I had to load all them little suckers up. There was 17 of them. There you go, Teddy. Be right there. Hey, don't go in the sun. Come over here. He's going to go get lost. What's going to happen? All right. Let's get you guys set up on the normal spot up here. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, that'll have to do. Let me get the dog. My wife would kill me if I lost this dog. I'll put you in the back of the truck. How'd you like that? You're in the shade and you're in the back. See how you like that? All right, bear with me, folks. Oh, ain't that lovely? And the laser's dead on the gun. So I guess we're loading these up. It's always something. Always something. All right, well, with that being said, bear with me and I'll get you guys set up on over here off to the side, and we'll just load all these guys. All right, well, let's see what we can do. All right. I don't know what we have here. Looks like, well, 2 sows for sure. Oh, when them little squeakers can get out of that little hole there, I think. Close this up a little bit. They'd have a hard time doing that. And this is not the group that I'm after, but they came in last night, so I thought, or this morning, they showed up this morning, so I thought, okay, well, I'll catch them and get rid of them and rebait, and I'll be ready for tonight. Let me open that gate more. What I'll do is put a board right there. Are you okay, Teddy? You're just hanging out in the shade, aren't you? That'll work. They can't get through that. And we'll get us a flag. All right, let's go. Come on, hip, hip. Come on, hip. Yeah, this smaller one, he's a young boar. Yeah. All right, go on. Go find the hole. There you go. Well, sweetheart, you're standing in front of it. Boy, they got them a nice mud hole in there. Go on. Go. turn around and look. I know some of you see it. Those little guys, they see that hole over there. There you go, Mama. There was just 26 hogs in that trailer. I know you can smell them. There's a little guy. Yep. No. Come on. Come on. No, you're not tough. Come on. Get on. Come on. Yep. Yep. I think I had about 30% on my battery on my phone, so it's been a long day, been on the road all day. So we'll just keep it running until it runs out. There went one. I don't know if that's the same one that went, but come on, let's go. I know you see that opening in the trailer. I know you see it. It's right there. You're looking right at it. See it? You saw it. Now get up in there. Come on, go get up in there. Oh, shoot. Turn around. There's only one way out, guys, and that's in the trailer, so get up in there. You know, I had some comments on the video I posted. It's, although I catch so many and I load, I'm out here loading all the time. So to me, what seems like a long time ago was probably just a few videos back, but this person that was watching the video had commented that it's absolutely ridiculous how long it takes me to load these hogs. You know, I loaded a big old mean boar this morning, backed up to the trailer. It took me longer to get the gates open than what it took for him to get in the trailer. You know, and excuse me, you can always tell by their personality, a hog's personality, how they're going to act when you're trying to get them loaded. They're just like people. They're all different, and they all have their own individual personality. And if they don't want to go in the trailer, they are not going to go in the trailer unless you force them in there or spend enough time. I have unhooked my trailer and left it strapped to a trap overnight because I couldn't get them to load up. I had to go back the next morning. I mean, it took all night long for them to get used to that trailer and going in and out. And went back and they ran over there and jumped in it, and I shut the gate, and that was that. But I had been out there for a long time trying to get them to load, and they weren't going to do it. But I think this sow will get up there. I may have to go in there and get the little shoats, but we'll see. Oh boy. I was going to close them off, and I've got the strap on the other side holding it open. And then it came untied. Lee. Oh my goodness. That ought to work. All right, come on, Sal. Just go get in. You doing all right, Teddy? You doing okay? That'll keep him from running away. He's not big enough to jump out of the back of the pickup. All right, now your turn. Let's go. Let's go. Hip, 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 hip. Hip, hip, hip. Turn around. There you go. Just turn around. Oh, you gonna eat the feeder leg? Well, that was dumb. Didn't do you no good, did it? Boy, it's a stinky mud hole right here. Where'd your mama go? What are you doing, Teddy? You hanging out? You're in the shade, that's all that matters. Bite the trailer. There you go. Well, that's about it. Hey, y'all notice that the wheel's not squeaky? Yeah, I oiled that up the other day and it's still working pretty good. Okay, you little guys. All right, let's go. Go find the trailer. I'll climb up in there if I have to, but I sure don't want to. Come on. Go get a trailer, buddy. Right there. Oh, dadgummit, I'm gonna have to get in there. You're right there. There you go. Come on. Come on. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. All right, folks. Man, thank goodness. And I'm in the shade. I like that. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Get this chained up, and we're gonna go bait another trap out here while we're here, because I didn't wake up last night and I had some big hogs in that trap. So we're gonna go rebait it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get this raised up and get it rebaited and get on the road to that other trap and then head home. I've been on the road since 7 this morning, and first of all, I'm hungry. I'm ready to go eat. So we'll see you guys on the next one. You doing all right, Teddy?